I don't know if you've noticed what I noticed, but what seems to be going viral lately on the internet is what you call totally nothing, like empty stuff. That's how these videos are actually going viral lately. But what the problem is how to create these videos with the right prompts, the right tools, and get the exact videos you want that will blow up your channel. So in this video, I'll show you the right tools, the right prompts to use, and you will get something similar to this. So let's get started.
So here in ChatGPT, click on this icon here and then choose apps. Then when you choose apps, click on GPTs. Then you search for talking objects. Okay, object talks. So when you search it, then you would go ahead and choose this particular one here. This is it. So when you choose it, you are gonna wait for it to load up. Then you click on start chats. When you click on start chat, all you now need is just to mention the object you want to create the video for. For me, I wrote give me a prompt for cup. So any object you want, just choose it. It's gonna provide 5 prompts. Number 1 is for the cup, and then the second one down here is just the prompt for the dialogue the cup would say. So just copy the prompts for the image and then go over to Wix AI. Now here in Wix AI, you need to sign in with your Google account if you haven't used Wix before. So once we are here in Wix, just click on enter tool and it will take you straight into the interface of image generation, which is what we'll be using for this image of the cup. So when you are here, just click on this icon and change it to portrait because it is for YouTube Shorts or TikTok. Then paste in the prompt you want to use. So I've pasted in the prompts. Then it doesn't take much time and it's totally free at the moment of recording, and I don't think it is gonna change anytime soon. Now I noticed something here. It is mentioning something like again in the images, again. So I don't want something like that. All I need to do now is to check out the prompts because it is in the prompts definitely. So I'll paste in the prompts, then I'll go through. Okay, look at it here. Here that it says arms, one holding its hand up protectively, the other gesturing again. So I'll just delete again and I'll write in gesturing, anger and frustration. So once I've written that, I'll just click on send. This arrow here is used for sending if you haven't used Wix before, but if you have, you would definitely know about everything here. So once I've written that, I'll just click on send and it's going to generate the image exactly as I want it. So this is the image is generating. Okay, this one is done. So let's see the next one. This one is also done, this is done, and this is done. So I'll choose any one that I like and download it. That's why I usually send multiple prompts. Then I'll repeat the prompt, the second one for the plate. Now it has generated it also. Now this is done, so we'll go over to Grog. Here in Grog, just click on imagine. When you click on imagine, then click on this see all here. When you click on it, then choose the image you want to animate. When you choose it, okay, this is it. So I'll choose in this one because this is one I downloaded. So I'll paste in the prompt I will have. Then I'll say cop says in a childish cartoon voice. Make sure that anything you want your prompt, your object to say is what you type here. You may not even use that of the one that ChatGPT provided because sometimes it sucks a bit. It's not actually what we want. So just write in anything you want here. And also make sure to add no background music or noise. Also mention that it is a still frame. You know, Grok usually have this annoying way of adding cuts or zoom in or zoom out in most of their videos if you didn't write your prompt very well. So here I'll just say complete still camera shots. no zoom in or no zoom out. If you want, you can just add it. Now I'll just click on send. It's gonna generate the video, sorry. It's gonna generate the video, and let's see what it will come up with. And if you've been using Grog for a while, you know it doesn't take much time. So here is generating the video. Let's see. Okay, this is it. Just click this download icon to download it. You can see how amazing it is. So we would also do the same thing for the plates. Just repeat the process for any object you want to generate. That's how to generate these viral videos that are going insanely viral lately on the internet. So once everything is okay, you would need to upload them into your editing software. I'll be using InShot for the process. Once you've uploaded it, just click on this icon to add the transition you want, any one of your choice. Now click on apply to all, this icon here to apply it to all. Now the next one you would need to be doing is to add your auto captions if you need it. Just click here and click start. That's all. And it's good to mention that I'm using this InShot Pro for free. So if you want it, just join my Telegram community and you'll get it for free also. Export your video at 1080p, 720p, anyone you choose, anyone that is compatible with you. And that's how to create the nothing videos that go absolutely viral in the internet. So if this video was anyway helpful, please, I really want you to give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to this channel, cause in the next tutorial I would show you something that will blow up your mind. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.